In Agra, Uttar Pradesh, a couple almost got divorced over a fight over sandals. Yes, indeed, in this incident, the wife repeatedly asked her husband for high-heeled sandals, but he kept refusing. This led to repeated arguments between them, and things escalated to a level where the husband was even accused of physically hurting his wife. The woman decided to take action and filed a complaint with the police. The case was then sent to a family counseling center, where counselor Dr. Satish Khirwar confirmed the whole situation.
2024 में शादी हुई थी। पति का कहना यह था कि सर ये मेरे से गाली गलौज देती है और मेरे से बोलती है कि मेरे लिए मैं हील वाली सैंडल पहनूंगी। एक आध बार मैंने इसको पहनाया भी, ये गिर गई और इसके चोट लग गई, परंतु ये मानी नहीं।
He further said,
लड़की की काउंसलिंग की तो लड़की का कहना यह था कि सर मैंने इनको बोला है कि मैं ऊंची एड़ी की सैंडल लेना चाहती हूँ, परंतु इन्होंने मुझे आज तक दिलवाया नहीं है और बोलते हैं कि जब मुझे पेमेंट मिल जाएगी जब दिलवाऊंगा। और मुझे 8 महीने होने जा रहे हैं, परंतु अभी तक इन्होंने मेरे को कोई भी सैंडल नहीं दिलवाया है। थोड़ा मैंने ज़्यादा बोला तो मेरे से इन्होंने झगड़ा कर दिया, मारपीट हो गई और मैं पिछले 1 महीने से अपने मायके रह रही हूँ।
After some counseling sessions, the husband finally agreed to buy the sandals for his wife.
लड़की को भी समझाया, लड़के को भी समझाया, दोनों की समझ में आ गया। लड़के ने बोला है कि मैं सैंडल पहना दूंगा सर इसको, और खुशी खुशी दोनों चले गए, राजीनामा करा दिया है।
But this wasn't the first bizarre case to come out of Agra. In another situation from Agra, a woman reportedly asked for a divorce because her husband wouldn't give her enough bindis. The wife enjoyed styling herself with different bindis every day, but her husband wasn't keen on spending too much money. At first, he only gave her 7 bindis for a week, but she kept demanding more, claiming that the bindis would fall off too quickly. Their disagreement escalated so much that the woman left her husband's house and returned to her mother's home, asking for a divorce. The police got involved and the couple sought counseling at a local center. The counselor shared that the husband would carefully count out the bindis before handing them over and would get upset whenever his wife asked for new ones. After hearing her complaints, he finally gave her 30 to 35 bindis, hoping that would satisfy her. Many couples are using small disagreements as reasons to separate. The Supreme Court of India has stated that such petty issues shouldn't lead to divorce and that patience is important in marriage.